Hello, and welcome to a mini episode of Making a Computer in Minecraft. This is going to be sort of a mix of a regular episode as well as a kind of tutorial for how to make accessing storage possible. Now let me explain what I mean. Computers store data in what's called binary, which is just a system of numbers, which is either a 1 or a 0. There's no 2s, 3s, 4s, anything. It's just 1 and 0. And we can represent that in Minecraft using redstone lamps, with off being 0 and on being 1. I've already made a design for how to properly store this information in a memory area, which is what you're seeing right here. Problem was, I had yet to come up with a good way of accessing this memory after it had been stored. That is where this comes in. It's a little design that I threw together just a little bit ago, which allows you to choose which piece of memory you want. Now, if you're at all confused by memory storage or just binary in general, I have videos on my channel which talk about that already. And also, if you want to see more of what I'm going to do with this and making my computer in Minecraft, definitely go check that out. But let's see it working. So we have here some memory. We have a 1, 0, a 0, 1, and a 0, 1, 0, 1 right here. Binary memory. And currently, you can see that the output over here is just 0, 0, 0, because we have yet to select which memory we want to use. But if I flick this lever, then now you see that I've chosen that piece of memory to access, and now that is our output. If you're confused why some of these are taller than others, like see that one's 4 tall and this one is 2 tall, these were just two different designs in the process, but this right here is the perfect design. This little one here. This design allows you to stack up as tall as you need. You can keep going like this, up, and add more and more bits. And it is the most compact design that I can come up with. We can actually get rid of these blocks, and it still works perfectly fine. How this works is pretty simple. We have this redstone line coming out of all of the redstone lamps, which just is the power of the lever, on or off. And currently, those things do not access this green line, which is where the output goes. But when we flick this lever, pistons push blocks in front of them, allowing that signal to travel to the output line, and traveling from the output line to our redstone lamps. Here's just a few better angles in case you're trying to just copy this down, or if you just need a better look at everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to likely release a video very soon, incorporating this into our computer design over there, and allowing us to actually do some stuff with storage, memory, and things like that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye.